Why? You have to study, na? That is simple concept, right? Ah, that one is a simple concept, right? Without that concept, you will not going to. Without that concept, you will not going to learn web technology course. Soumya, yesterday I have sent one basic HTML structure. Have you studied? Okay. Shall we start a class? Okay. Now, to learn your web technology, this concept is very important. All of you see here. First, we have to write HTML tag. HTML within angle brackets. We have to call these all are angle brackets, and inside this angle bracket we can call it as tag name. We can call it as tag name. To write HTML code, this HTML tag is very important. It will holds your all tag informations, right? Then after HTML, you can write down yourself, okay, by step, then you can easily understand. Don't see, right? We have to write individually. Then after HTML, we have to use the next tag is heading tag. It is called head. This head tag is responsible for your title of the web page, and different concept will come that we will discuss in second models, okay? But now in first model you have to concentrate about this head. It will hold the web page name or web title of the web page. That title of the web page we have to write within this head tag, followed by title tag. Followed by what? Title tag. And here we have to write our web page title here. Then we have to close this title tag with the help of what? /title. Then we have to close heading tag. Immediately we have to close heading tag. Next we will start an important tag, that is body of the HTML, that body tag. Within this body tag we have to write our HTML code with the help of different kinds of tags. There are so many kinds of tags are available, so as per our requirement we have to use those tags within inside the body of body tag, right? Here we have to write our tags as per our requirement, right? Then after we have to close this body tag. Then we have to close our main HTML tag. See here, this HTML tag is responsible for closing HTML tag. Then body tag is closing body tag. Then heading tag is closed. Then title, here title tag is closed. This is a basic structure of HTML tag. Now, what is this? We have seen this. So what we can call that basic structure? The fundamental syntactic units of HTML are called tags. That we can call what? Tags. In general, tags are used to specify categories of content. Categories of content, it means it may be paragraph tag, it may be order list tag, it may be unorder list tag, or it may be image tag, or it may be video tag, like, and so on. Different tags that we have to use with our requirement, right? Then the syntax of a tag is the tag's name surrounded by angle brackets. You can call these all are angle brackets. Okay, this one is lesser than and greater than symbol, right? This we can call angle brackets. Within these angle brackets we have to write tag names. Now the tag name must be written in all lowercase letters. See here, we have to write always in lowercase letters, not in uppercase letters. Okay, then most tags appear in pairs. Pairs means what? Opening tag then closing tag. Most of the tags, hardly 3 tags are available with single tags. We can call those all are single tags, but most of the tags should be available in pairs, that is opening tag followed by closing tag. Sujit, are you understanding or not? Are you understanding? Okay. Now okay, how the okay, 1 minute. Okay, Akash, Akash, okay, today is your first class, I think, right? Okay, now concentrate here. The most tags appear in pairs, that is opening tag and closing tag. The name of a closing tag is the name of its corresponding opening tag with slash attached to the beginning. That is the called what? Closing tag, right? So for example, I can use tag name is what? P is my tag name, right? So how to close this tag? Same name I have to write first, then preceded by what? Slash. This is what? Closing tag. Opening tag is P, then closing tag is nothing but we have to use slash P. That is the case, right? Now the next one is, if the tag's name is P is a tag, right? You can consider P is a tag, that is paragraph tag. Later I will tell. So corresponding closing tag is named what? Slash P. Here I have written my tag name is P, then here in dot I have written, here I have to use any information which I want to display in a web page, right? This is your choice, whatever you have to display it. Then how to close this P tag? See, first we have to use P tag, same name, right? PP, then preceded by slash. This is what? Opening tag then closing tag. I hope it's clear. Opening tag and closing tag. Now this is called what? Which tag it is? Can anyone tell? Snehal, which kind of tag it is? It may be opening tag or closing tag. Opening tag, right? Then Akash, let me know this. Which tag it is? Closing tag. This is called what? Closing tag, right? Okay. Now the comments we have to use in every language. We are using comments through different kinds of syntax. In our HTML we have used this kind of syntax, that is angle bracket, explanation mark, then two hyphens we have to use in beginning, then here we have to write description of our HTML coding, right? Body of the HTML code means whatever contents are there in HTML page. There are, if you are implementing any big any project, so that project needs a big lines of codes in HTML. Okay, so if you want to understand that coding part, you have to use comments. So what kind of code it is, how this code will work, that kind of description we have to write within these comments. So in HTML we are using comments like this: angle bracket, explanation mark, then followed by two hyphens, then whatever you are writing, that is description of your code, then followed by two hyphens, then angle bracket. Whatever I have shown in red color, these all are comments to use in HTML web page. Now angle bracket, then followed by explanation, then followed by hyphen, two hyphens, then description of your code, then followed by hyphen, one more hyphen, then angle bracket. This is a syntax to use comments in HTML coding part, right? Okay, now the next one is body. Here I want to make comment. This is my simple code I have used. Inside the body tag I am using a p tag, hi welcome. So I want to make comments for this line, web subject sample code. This I don't want to display on web page, so for that I have to make this line as a comment in HTML. So how to use this? Can anybody tell this? Soumya? How to comment this line, web subject sample code? How to comment this? I want to make a comment. Kiran? Sumaya? How to make comments for this line, web subject sample code? /p. See, to make any line comments, first we have to use angle bracket followed by explanation mark. No, listen first here. Angle bracket followed by explanation mark, then two hyphens. It's a beginning stage. Then at the end of the line we have to write two hyphens followed by angle bracket. This is comments. Now you understood this? Kiran understood this? Now tell me this, how to make this line as a comment? Snehal, Snehal, open bracket, that we can call angle bracket. Okay, that we can call angle bracket followed by explanation mark, then two hyphens. Okay, then at the end of the line what should I write? Two hyphens, then angle bracket. This I have done what? Comment for this line. Is it clear how to use the comments in HTML? All of you writing or not? Or simply sitting and listening? Without writing you will not get these two programming languages. Whenever I am explaining, try to write in your notebook. Simply you are sitting, it means it's waste of your time. Now the next we have to use the first tag in our HTML, that is p tag. P means what here? Paragraph. We can call it as paragraph tag, right? And it begins with angle bracket, inside the angle brackets p, then ends with slash p. Okay, opening bracket and closing bracket. Here we have to use multiple paragraphs may appear in single document. For the P means what? If you want to print any message or any information on your web page, you have to use p tag, compulsory. In Java program you are going to print any data, you have to use SOP, right? System.out.println. Same way, if you want to display any information on a web, you have to use p tag. That is the meaning. Okay, here I am writing a title is paragraph. Title is what? Web page title means paragraph. Then inside the body I am using this p tag, that is p paragraph 1. I want to display paragraph 1 on web page, then paragraph 2, then paragraph 3. These three information I am displaying in a web page, so I am using p tag. P closing p, then closing p, and so on. So results, it will display like this. See here, it is displayed here. Paragraph, title of the page is what? Paragraph. It is displayed in your web page. See here. Then paragraph 1, it is displayed here. Paragraph means not in your textbook. Okay, exact meaning it is not, but if you want to print any information, you can use you can use p tag. So paragraph 1 is displayed, paragraph 2 is displayed, and paragraph 3 is displayed, and so on. Is that clear? Everybody is clear? Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask me. So there, if you don't have any doubts, please write this code, then send it back fast. Let me know how much you understood. I have already sent, open your WhatsApp, and I have already sent one image, that is title of the web page is my name. My name means you have to write your name, right? Then you have to print hi MCA using HTML code right on past. Kiran, 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 Sujit, ಇದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಏನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ? ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, shall I explain once again? Reply. See, first we have to open one text document. Here in Notepad we have to take, that is the text editor. Here I have to write my coding part. First I will write beginning of the tag, right? So beginning of the tag is what? HTML. Then after writing HTML, the next one is we have to write title of the web page. To write title of the web page, we have to use head tag. We have to use head tag. Now I have used head tag. Inside the head tag we have to use title tag. To display our title of the web page, we have to use title tag. Title. Here what I told, my name should be displayed on web page, right? So here I will write my name, GNS. Then title tag is opened here. Now I have to close this title tag. Closing, I am using slash, then tag name is title, then close the title tag, right? After writing title tag, Sujit, are you getting? Okay. After writing title tag, still our head tag is open, so this head tag we have to close, right? So to close head tag we have to use slash, then tag name is head. Now I have written my web page of the title is GNS. This should be displayed on web page. Then I want to print any message in web page. For that I have to use main tag, that is body tag. Inside the body tag we have to write the different kinds of tag. Here what I told, to print high MCA. To print high MCA you have to use compulsory which tag? P tag. P means paragraph, so you have to use P tag, slash P. Inside this slash P, what you are printing? Now I want to print high MCA. High MCA, it has to print on web page. So I have whatever displaying that content I have to write inside the tags. That's it. So then I have to close this P tag. So tag is closed. Next, what should I close? Lina? Lina is not there. Snehal, what should I close now? Tell me anyone. Next, what should I write? Kiran. Closing of the body tag. Close, BODY, body tag. Next tag, what should I close? Sujit. Sujit, what should I close next? What? HTML tag. Okay, slash HTML. Then close this. Then how to save this file? Simply shall I click on save, or we have to make save as? Save or save as? Which option should I choose? Save as. Okay, fine. So click on save as. Changes, save. Make it save as. In I am choosing the path. I choose in desktop. So file name I am giving. Sujit, what should I give a file name? What should I give file name? How to give file name? File name means you can give any file name, but followed by which extension should I give? Kiran, Soumya, file extension, what should I give? GNS extension, I am asking extension. ಯಾವ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ? HTML ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ .html. ಜಾವಾ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ .java like that, right? Here I have to write HTML. Then ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ page HTML, then save. Now see here, web PGM has already saved in file extension HTML. Now I want to open this file. How to run HTML file? See here, after typing and saving your file as HTML, you just right click on that file, then open with web browser. Choose any web browser. If you have Firefox, you can choose Google Chrome, and you can choose Internet Explorer. These all are web browsers, right? So I am choosing Google Chrome. Click on that web browser, so it will going to display like this. What it is displayed? See, title of the web page is what? Sujit, title of the web page, it is displayed. Then what is the content? What is the content? It is displayed. Hi MCA, it is displayed or not? MCA, it is displayed. This is our content. So to display content, you have to use which tag? P tag. That is, P tag means what? Paragraph tag. Is that clear everyone now? Will you write another program? Okay, I will send one information. Please start writing code. Some people, they have already written. Very good. Yes. Now display this message. Start writing code. Information you will reach, then send it back. If you, while writing this code, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Akash, Kiran has written perfect. Have you understood this program? Okay, now you write down this program. Hi, how are you? You have to display one by one line using P tag. Snehal, you have written this code, but you didn't close the p tag. You have to close p tag. Seven two two has written code. You haven't used title tag, right? Body, then closing the body, then HTML. Okay, that's how are you. Kiran also has written. Body, okay, done. Sujit, first tag HTML capital letters ಬರ್ದಿಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು. You have to write in small case letters. Okay. Okay. Now we will move on to next tag. All of you see here. So within a p tag we have used this content, welcome to MCA web technology. So we have displayed like this, right? Then the next tag is very important in from your exam point of view, so concentrate here. So p tag to display the content. First thing you have to understand, p means to display any contents you have to use p tag, that's it. Then next I want to print message like this. Hi, how are you? I want to print a message like this. So is it possible to print like this? Is it possible to print like this? So let's see how I am using a p tag. What I told, any information if you want to display, so you have to use p tag, right? I am using a p tag here, then I am displaying hi, how are you? I am displaying like this, right? So how to display message like this? Let's see what will happen. I want to display hi, how are you within what? P tag. So shall I write here hi, how? I have written there hi, how are you? I have written like this, right? Observe carefully. I have written this statement, right? It has to display like this: hi, how are you? It has to display like this. So what will happen if I run this program? What will happen? Is it displayed? Everybody is seeing here? Kiran? How it is displayed in single line? But what I told to display? I told to display like this: hi, then spaces is there, then how, then spaces is there, are, then space, then you. I want to display a message as it is, but I am displaying, but here displayed the message in what? In single line, right? So instead of displaying in single line, I have to use another tag to display a message like this. I need spaces. Whatever I am writing in the coding part, same exactly it has to print on a web page. Understood the logic? What I am telling? Everyone? Ria, Soumya, reply. Have you understood this question correctly? Soumya. Ria. Ria, have you understood the question? I want to display a message like this, but I am getting the message in single line, right? This is my question. To use this to use this message, whatever we have written exactly, to print in our web page, for that purpose you need another tag, that is pre tag. Which tag it is? Pre tag. I will tell you later. Pre tag. So p tag is used to display the content. So pre tag means it preserve the white space. Preserve the white space means whatever you are giving the spaces here, this will preserve, then print as it is. To print as it is, you have to use the tag is pre tag. Here I am using pre tag. This pre tag is opened. Now I have to close this pre tag before the p tag. Here I have to close pre tag. Pre tag done. Now you'll see, this is previous output we have got. Hi, how are you in single line. Kiran, ಕಾಣಕತೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ವೆಬ್ ಬ್ರೌಸರ್. Okay, now if I click on refresh button, what will happen? See, some error I have, that's why it is not showing. So what kind of error we have to identify? Something is missing in that code. so that's why it is not displaying, it is error message. So we have to identify what kind of error it is. Everything is correct, but still it is not showing. One minute. I don't know why it is showing error. In HTML it's very sensitive to identify the errors. This is a good opportunity to identify the errors. See here I have made mistake. Are you getting my point? Here I have written like this, pre, then getting this error, pre, then tag is not closed here, then extra angle bracket I have written. So due to this it is not displayed. See now. Understood this error message, Kiran? Everybody has understood the error message. If you made any simple mistake, it will not going to execute. Simply it will display nothing, right? So let's see. We'll save this program, then run. Now it is displayed. See, it is displayed or not? Everybody is seeing, right? Exactly what I have typed, exactly it is printed on web page. All of you reply in chat box. Okay, so small errors, but you didn't get the result properly, right? So this is a kind of errors in HTML page. If you are using JavaScript, it will show the error, but if you are using HTML, it will not show any errors. You have to identify each and every line, then error will going to solve. Is it clear? So this you have to print a message like this with the help of pre command. Pre means preserve the white space. Preserve the means it reserve the spaces. Here I am using space, right? This space is reserved, and here this white space is reserved like this. Then here this, in this line, this much of space is reserved. For this purpose we are using pre tag. Let's see. Now I am using this pre tag here, preserving white space. PRE means what? Preserving white space. It represents pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text which is to be presented exactly as written. whatever you have written, same data or same information it has to print on web page. So for that purpose we have to use pre-tag. White space inside this element is displayed as written. So body tag followed by p. P means why you are using p here, to display any information. For that purpose you have to use p tag. Then the next tag is what? Whatever you are typing, writing, this same information it has to display on website. So you have to use pre tag. Pre means preserve these white spaces. Then whatever you are printing or displaying, you have to write yourself. Then close the first pre tag, then followed by closing the /p, right? Then run this program, you will get the output you will have like this. Hi, how are you? Any doubts regarding this concept? Do you have any doubts? Sujit, Akash, Riya, Soumya, tell me one by one. Are you there online? Kiran, okay. Now shall I give another code to write this part? Okay. Start writing code. All of you start writing code. This HTML head and title, then close the head. Up to body tag you have to write. Compulsory you have to write. Then display a message like this. Akash, Akash, have you understood this concept? HTML? Okay. Will you be able to write a code what I have sent in your WhatsApp group? Okay. Please write and send it to WhatsApp group. Past. Today I have completed only 2 tags. Write on past. This web technology and Java and DBMS, these all 3 are core subjects. Compulsory you have to study each and every concept. In lockdown time you have to utilize this golden time. Don't enjoy yourself in your home. Something you have to make a struggle. In technical round they may ask different kinds of questions. For that questions you have to answer. To answer those questions compulsory you have to know the basic concepts. That's why I am investing more time in first units, Java as well as web technology. Kiran has already sent P pre tag pre. My name is Kiran. Okay, Kiran is done. Pre tag my name is XYZ. Close the pre, then close the P. Right. 908 you have to mention title. You have left blank, but you have to mention something, right? 78 has deleted their message. Sujit, send me message fast. Akash, don't see their messages and you have to write. Don't write. You have to write in your own. Title, name, head. 722 has written PPT body. Okay, 722. Okay, then I have 206. P pre. My name is Akash. Close the P pre. Okay, Akash, you have written head tag, right? Inside the head tag you have to write compulsory title tag. Head followed by title, then give one web page name, then close the title, then close the head tag. Then after only you have to write these tags. Akash, okay, is it clear, Akash? Right? Okay. HTML head title. 745 you have to write any title name. Don't leave blank. P pre tag. My name is Nehal. Then pre P body HTML. Okay, done. Don't leave a title tag blank. Okay, you have to write something. Hi, first page, like that you have to write. So pre-tag, p-tag. Okay, everybody has written correctly. There is no doubts. And the next one is, next tag is very important. That is heading tag. So today you have learned two tags, right? One is p tag, then pre tag, then one more tag is time is up. What is the time now? Already time is over. Okay. In my mobile it's showing 12:55. Still 5 minutes are there. In your time it is over. Hello? Okay. 1 minute. Have you understood these concepts regarding HTML? Basic concepts you are understanding or not? Okay. Nobody can feeling any difficult, right? Because I am slow in first these two subjects, first model, Java as well as web, because these all are very important concepts, right? And simply you don't feel boring. Sir is telling a repeated class like that, right? But if you know or don't know, somehow you have to learn these concepts, right? Okay, now we will discuss on small concept here. Next one is HTML tag. In HTML tag there are 6 different HTML headings. Here we have to study heading tags from heading number 1 to heading number 6, means H1 tag to H6 tags, right? So from highest level H1 tag, then lowest level is H6 tag. H1 is largest heading tag. Largest heading tag means a big, whatever you are displaying, that should be displayed in big size. If you are using H6 tag, it is displaying in what? Small size, right? So H1 is what here? Highest heading tag. H6 is what? Smallest heading tag. Now you will get the output like this. If you are using H1 tag, it will show the output big size in heading 1. Then if you are using H2 tag, it will show the little bit small compared to heading 1. Heading 2 will display little bit small size. Then in heading number 3, it will display little bit small size compared to heading 2. Then if you are using heading 4, it will display little bit small compared to heading 3. Like that it will show. Then the last tag is heading 6. I mean H6 is the lowest tag, H1 is highest tag. Is that clear? Highest tag and lowest tag. Okay. Regarding this, tomorrow I will tell this information. Okay. Now you can leave the meeting. Thank you, all of you.